Hi friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back. I haven't filmed in like 3 months. A lot has gone on, and over time, like over the next few videos, I'll talk to you guys about what's been going on. I've got a whole new setup, a whole new desk. Apologies for my voice, I'm smack down in the middle of fighting a flu. So for the past 3 months where I haven't been filming, everything's been fine. But the week that I just say, oh, let me sit down and let me get back to filming, I've missed doing nails so much, that's when this flu wants to hit me. The devil is a liar, honestly. Satan, the Lord rebuke you. Like, it makes no sense to me. But also, it is flu season, so that is part of it. So guys, wherever you are, stay safe. And I heard COVID's coming back around. Well, C19. Literally, I'm just over it. I'm just gonna focus on doing nails and just not think about it. But guys, I'm so excited about this 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐬𝐧𝐞𝐬𝐬 Gel X kit. I really want to get into doing Gel X. I've never done it before. So my next video is going to be me unboxing this 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐬𝐧𝐞𝐬𝐬 kit and do my first set of Gel X nails. So make sure you're subscribed. But first things first, I really want to get into these Madam Glam polishes. This is so cute. Ooh. I'm so excited because they're fall or autumn colors. I didn't do any autumn nails this year because, as I told you, I took a break from filming, but these polishes came just in time. I'm gonna let you guys listen to my actual raw reactions to them. Let me just say, I am in love with these colors. One thing about me, I love Madam Glam polishes. The opacity on these is amazing. Like, you only need one dip. It doesn't get better than that in a gel polish. So guys, enjoy the video. I'll pop back in later to speak. I need to rest my voice. Okay, love you. Just gorgeous. So beautiful. Guys, you get a full coverage with just one dip, and I even oh, it's just so buttery and yummy. You don't need to double dip. Look at this. Look at this purple. Just beautiful. So this is Follow Me Cured. Guys, tell me this isn't the most beautiful mauve brown. It's like almost a bit purple as well, but it's just beautiful, 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 beautiful. I'm loving these colors, and the gloss on them is just breathtaking, honestly. Okay, the next color I want to do is Everglades. Is it Everglades? Oh, look at that. Oh my days, look at that. That's so pretty. Oh my days. This is gorgeous. Oh, this is like fairy green, I think. Or like moss green, spinach green. This is so funny, but this is too pretty. Guys, look at that. Oh, focus. Look at that. Ooh. 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 You're so beautiful too. This is so pretty. Ooh. Just look at that. It's like almost mustard a bit, yellowy green. Oh, this is so pretty. Yeah, I think I've got my favorite color so far, and it's Everglades. Everglades, that's like a perfect name. This is just, ooh. I haven't even cured it yet. Let me cure it. I'll be right back. Ooh, guys, this is it cured. Oh, look at that. Everglades, Everglades, Everglades. Okay, let's move on to road trip. Shut up and drive, drive, drive. Shut up and drive. Road trip, baby. Let me be serious just for 1 second, please. Okay, we've got, ooh, guys, can you see? I hope you can. It's a beautiful blue. It's like a real deep blue. And guys, you only need one coat. That's what I love about this. Look at how opaque this is. Are we seeing the same thing, guys? Can you see just how opaque this is? Oh my days.
What on earth? This is... You see why I love Madam Glam? Do you see why I love Madam Glam? Do you see why I love Madam Glam? Do you see? Oh, this is just a dream. I dreamed a dream of time gone by. 1 second. Look at it against my skin. It is absolutely bloody gorgeous. So perfect. Okay, next color is No Maps. I like the theme of this. Road trip, no maps, follow me. It feels like a very adventurous like collection, which I absolutely love. Oh my days, focus. I don't want you guys to miss this. This needs to be focused. Absolutely. And this is just one dip. One dip, you know. Okay, so this is No Maps. Absolutely stunning. Look at it against my skin. Just beautiful, just gorgeous. Oof. Let me cure it. So I've cured it. So this is what No Maps. This is what No Maps looks like. Cured. Just so pretty. I'm so excited to try this. It's called Are We Lost? Ooh. So this gives me very much adventure. Like the blue is road trip, travel. I really want to go traveling, like holiday, go experience new countries. This is definitely the vibe this gives me. But on a real note, how many countries have you guys been to? Like, also I've been to, okay, let me see. I'll count, I'll let you know. Nigeria, 1, UK 2, America 3, France 4. I don't think of anything else right now. Like 4 different countries. So yeah, I definitely want to travel. So this is Are We Lost. Absolutely beautiful mustard yellow. Just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me cure it. Okay guys, I want you guys to see it like against my skin. Tell me this isn't the most beautiful mustard yellow you've seen. Just perfect. So perfect for fall. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's Are We Lost. So that's Are We Lost. Put it up this way. Cute. Last but certainly not least is Sunset in Florida. Oh my days, look at this. Look at how beautiful that red looks. Just looks so deep and gorgeous and just I'm so excited to try this. I've got butterflies. Is anyone else excited? Okay. Ooh. 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 Look at the, okay, I wiped off a lot of the polish. Ooh, so I'll try not to double dip, but I did wipe a lot off of this. But look, guys, it's almost like a slightly fuchsia red, but it's a very vibrant red. But like in the sheer parts, like when I'm white swiping it, you can see it's almost a little bit fuchsia. Oh guys, look at this. One coat, like one coat, one dip without, and I even wiped off a lot. Oh my days, this is so pigmented. This is literally the most beautiful red I've seen. I just can't stop playing with it. I can't stop playing with it, guys. I just can't. It's so buttery and just silky. Like, I love this. Ooh. You're so beautiful too. Guys, look at this. Okay. Look at this red. Oh, this is so pretty. This is gorgeous. Look at this. I haven't even cured it yet, and this is Sunset in Florida. Guys, I got my coupon code. Go use it and get 30% off.
Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed hearing my actual genuine reactions to it. So now I'm going to apply my 𝐤𝐬𝐬𝐬 tips. If you want to see the full video where I did the in-depth tutorial on applying 𝐤𝐬𝐬𝐬 tips and how to make it last and all that stuff, it's going to be my next upload. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. So friends, I'd really love to know what your thoughts are on the Sanctuary collection from Madame Glam. I think the colors are absolutely amazing. They've still got the Black Friday event going on, so you can get this very, very, very cheap and affordable. Guys, go make the most of this. Grab what you can. I recommend this collection, obviously. Side note, the gemstones that came with the 𝐁𝐻𝐬𝐬𝐬 gel kit, they are so good. I couldn't believe it. Like, they was shining so much, and tell me those rhinestones were not so glittery and just... I'm gonna try not to use the word gorgeous because I've used it so much. So yeah, I'm just in love with these nails. My inspiration for these nails were from Glammed Beauty, I believe, because she recently did an upload for like her 4 nails, and she did like a monochrome, matte and glossy look. And my 𝐺𝐿𝐿 kit came with a matte top coat, so I said I'm going to use this set to test out the matte top coat and see how it works, because I've never done matte nails before. So when I saw her video, I just thought, ding ding ding, this is exactly what I'm going to do. It was just a perfect design to show off pretty much everything. The gel polishes, the matte top coats, the glossy top coat, the 𝐺𝐿𝐿 extensions, everything. It was just a perfect design. I'm just so happy with everything in this video. So yeah guys, my throat is really hurting me now, so I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let you guys just enjoy the rest of the video.
Television, watch me like new. Talk to me like you can free me. I be in my head, it's true, yeah. Ooh, la da dee, la da do. I be in my head like ooh, la da dee, la da do. It's true, yeah. It's kinda menacing, I'm in my head I think, but it's cool. I think I overthink, you got the remedy, then come through. Please do. I got lots of time on my hands, but no time in my head was new. I got lots of love in my heart that I really wanna share with you. That's true. Talking from the baseline, I got lots of hang time. I can say you was mine, but I never been fine. I've been thinking backwards, I've been lost for some time. Who can help me find what's true? Television, watch me like new. Talk to me like you can free me. I be in my head, it's true, yeah. Ooh, la da dee, la da do. I be in my head like ooh, la da dee, la da do. It's true, yeah. I'm up. I ain't really playing with a brother like you. I've been on positive since I done started this. That's all I really can do. Hey, yeah. Talk like it's true, yeah, yeah. All that I knew, yeah, yeah. Catching the wave, everything shining like every damn thing that I do. Ooh, I like starting fresh. I like giving more and in return asking for less. They say 𝐻𝐬 be the best, say man you the best. I say I ain't shit if I can't get outside my head, man. Yeah, television, watch me like new. Talk to me like you can free me.
If you watched the whole way, thank you so much. I love you. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.